It's fight for power, it's fight for seats. After reports emerged that there is rift within the BJP over the crucial Varanasi seat, now the Samajwadi Party is jumping into the controversy. SP leader and the UP minister Shahid Manzoor is daring Narendra Modi to contest polls from Meerut, saying that Varanasi is a very safe seat.
उनकी अगर लहर है तो आए मैदान में, आ जाए मेरठ।
The Samajwadi Party leader Shahid Mansoor throwing a direct challenge at the BJP's prime ministerial nominee, daring him to fight elections from Meerut instead of Varanasi, which is a seat being considered for Narendra Modi.
मैं उसी के बाद परिप्रेक्ष्य में आपसे एक बात ये कहूं कि अगर ये प्रचार हो रहा है कि लहर है मोदी की, अगर लहर है तो फिर ये क्यों सीट तलाश करते फिर रहे? फिर तो ये डिक्लेयर कर दे और जो सबसे ज्यादा कमजोर सीट हो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की निगाह में वो उस पर जाके चुनाव लड़े।
Shahid Mansoor not only dismissing the Modi way but also daring the BJP chief to fight elections again from Ghaziabad.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जितने शीर्ष के नेता हैं सब अपने अपने लिए जमीन तलाश कर रहे हैं। अगर मोदी की लहर है तो फिर इनको सीट तलाश करने की जरूरत क्या? हमारे तो पड़ोस में थे आदरणीय राजनाथ सिंह जी, क्यों सीट बदल रहे हैं? अगर लहर है तो लड़े अपनी पुरानी सीट पर।
With the Samajwadi Party firing a fresh salvo at Narendra Modi, the BJP quickly coming out to defend its prime ministerial candidate.
I believe it is a frustration of the Samajwadi Party which is speaking. Rather than thinking about who would contest from where as far as BJP is concerned, Samajwadi Party should be concentrating on the challenges that lie within the boundary of Uttar Pradesh.
With the Samajwadi Party openly challenging the BJP's prime ministerial nominee, will the BJP now respond to the challenge? Bureau Report Times Now.